Hello, Pestilence here. And even though today is Sunday, we received mail and I received some packages. One of the packages I was really waiting for is at the end of the line here, and that is this small three-wheel word padlock. From everything that I've seen, they mention these as being French made and don't really know how old. They could be 100 years old, could be less. I'm not really sure. So now I have the whole set. Now, I'm really not sure how many wheels they make, but I've got the three wheel. Let's see, make sure it's not too shiny. Don't want too much light bouncing off it. Okay, we got the three wheel, got the four wheel, got the five wheel, and I've got the six wheel. So let's see, the six wheel and the four wheel I decoded. The five wheel and the three wheel came with the combination, word combination. So no need there. And there we have it. 6, 5, 4, and 3 wheel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay warm. Stay legal. Bye.